Hi folks, welcome back to another edition of Terry's O Gauge Trains. What you're looking at is that Lionel DC General that I got about 3 weeks ago. It's been a follow-up. Ran into a little bit of problem with it when I was trying to convert it over to AC. I got the soldering iron a little too close to the top of the motor, one of the contacts, and it actually melted the plastic cap on top of the can motor, and then that contact, it damaged that, so I couldn't use the motor anymore. There was no way to fix it. And as you recall, that particular DC General was from the early 1980s, and it had the vertical mount DC motor. Excuse me. Very difficult trying to find one, so I reached out to my good buddy Derek at Papaville O Gauge Trains. After unsuccessfully being able to find a motor, I asked if he could help me out. Well, a couple days later, he said, you got a package coming your way that I think will get you up and running. And what he sent me was what you see here. Another James Gang DC General, complete with tender. Now the difference between the two is this one is a later model. As it has the red roof and that different color scheme. Of course, I believe mine, the previous owner custom painted it. And it has the horizontal mounted can motor. So what I did is I just took the top off of the top piece here off of my General and switched it with the one Papaville sent me, and as a result I now have a fully functional James Gang DC General. Now I still don't have all the original cars. This is what I had, so this is what I put together. It consists with it. And we'll take her around and let you see how she runs. And there she goes. Zoom, zoom. No problems, running perfectly. Where before it was sitting on a shelf non-functioning, is now running. Speed it up a little bit. So I just wanted to send a big thank you out to Derek from Papaville Trains for sending me the parts I needed to get this engine up and running. I really wanted to do that. I've always wanted a James Gang General, or any kind of General for that matter. And without his help, this video wouldn't have been possible. So again, Derek, thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed to his channel, Papaville O Gauge Trains, please check him out and do like and subscribe. He's a really great guy. He also sells trains, O Gauge, at various shows around the Illinois area. And you can also contact him and do direct sales from him that way. So I said, reach out to Derek. Check out his Papaville O Gauge Trains. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching it. I want to show you a couple of things I did on my own to customize my General. I'll bring it around and you can stop it. As you can see there, I have added the front grab irons here, and I also colored the boiler bands. Just a little bit of customizing to make it work. But other than that, that's about it. It's pretty well stock. Mine originally did not have these black valves. This came with these black valve pistons here. Derek sent those. That was off of the base, the motor and chassis that he sent me. Like I said, but by putting the two together, I do have a really nice James Gang General. And I thank him, Derek, for doing that. And it was really nice. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And that will be all for today. Till next time.